everybody, and welcome to a very special edition of Connected Threads. As you can tell, I am not filming in my usual location. That's because I'm on site at Steaks Manufacturing in Eastlake, Ohio. I'm here meeting with co-founder Jed Seifert and his team, where they're working on something really special and really personal. It's a project that when we heard about it, we just said, how can we help? How can we be involved? So here we are. That's all the details I'm going to give you for now, but keep your eyes open, there's more to come. So let's talk about some apparel headlines this week. In apparel news, the Shirt Lab Summit is happening this weekend, April 1st and 2nd, and our very own Josh Carruth is going to be speaking at that event. If you are not registered, there is still time. Make sure you click on the link in the text below. Episode 2 of Good Company with John Morris is now live on our site. If you liked what John had to say in episode 1, you liked his energy, then you definitely need to check out episode 2. It's even better. Vanessa Bryant is teaming up with Nike to release apparel commemorating Kobe and Gianna. Now, proceeds for that will go towards the sports foundation that was founded shortly after the two died in a helicopter crash, so make sure you check out that link. Of course, there's so much more to catch up on, so make sure you scroll through the entire Apparel List newsletter. There's some great things to find and read, and you don't want to miss out. That's everything for this week. We'll catch you next time.